Hello and welcome back to my kitchen. Today I'm going to be doing a little more pantry cooking, and I'm making one of my favorite bar snacks, and those are loaded potato skins. The ingredients that we're going to need today actually kind of vary depending on how many of them you want to make. I'm only going to be making 4, so this is my last potato that I need to deal with, so I was going to show you how I do that. But we're also going to need some sharp cheddar cheese, some green onions that I've gone ahead and sliced up, some bacon that I've already crisped, and a little bit of sour cream, as well as the rest of our potatoes. And all I've done is bake them for about an hour, wrapped in aluminum foil. Let me get that one out of there. I didn't put any salt, pepper, or oil on the skins. I didn't want them to turn out greasy. When I did pierce them, because you do want to pierce your potatoes when you bake them so they don't explode, I pierced them on the sides where I'm going to be splitting my potatoes so that I don't end up with holes on the part that I want to use as a vessel. So all I need to do now is come in and slice right where I've already pierced them. And I'm just going to take a spoon and start scooping out the innards. And you just want to take out a little bit of it. You don't want to take it all out, but you do want to hollow it out pretty close to the skin without kind of going that far. So if you accidentally go all the way down and scrape all the meat out of an area, I would just go back and take a little piece of potato and kind of mash it back down in just to fill it out. And I do try to get this as even as possible all the way around. But I do want to leave a little bit. I don't like potato skins that have had all of the, basically the meat of the potato removed. I like a little bit extra in there. So let me go ahead and get this last one done. And while I'm doing this, I would like to remind you of the Gamers and Geeks playlist that JP Death and I have going on our channels. If you would like to be a part of it, it's really easy. All you have to do is go out and make a cooking video, and then once it's done, post it to your channel, and then let either JPIC or I know, either in the comments section of our latest cooking videos, or if you're a part of our Discord servers, you can let us know over there as well. Alright guys, this one is just about done. I got it a little bit thin on this one side, so I am going to come in and just press a little bit extra potato over there, kind of fill it out a little bit. Alright, there we go. Let me get that on my tray, and let me get my cutting board out of the way. And do not throw your extra potatoes away. These are perfectly good to turn into mashed potatoes or into potato pancakes the next day, which is probably what I'm going to be doing with them. So at this point, let me go ahead and move this stuff around. And I'm just going to go ahead and start layering in a little bit of my bacon into each one of these. Now I don't want to use all of my bacon because I want to save some of it to use as a topping later. So just enough to come in and, you know, give it a nice, healthy, generous amount. And I've cooked and crumbled about a half of a pound of bacon altogether, maybe a little bit over. Alright, and then all we need to do now is top these with our shredded cheese. You don't want to go too heavy on this, just a light dusting of cheese is pretty good. Alright guys, that looks pretty good to me. I'm just going to move these over into a 400-degree oven and let them cook until the cheese is melted and nice and bubbly, probably about 10 minutes. And I will see you once they are back out. Alright guys, our potato skins are out of the oven. I've gone ahead and put them over on the plate I'm going to be serving them on. And now all we need to do is finish them off. And I'm just going to do that by putting a little dollop of sour cream right in the middle of each one of them. There we go. There is our last one. That looks pretty good. And then I'm just going to come back in and top it all with a little bit more bacon. Here we go. That looks pretty good to me. And our green onions. Alright guys, I've gone ahead and finished the plate off with a little bit more sour cream and some salsa in the middle. And that is going to be it. Let's go ahead and get in here and give it a try, see what we think of them. I'm going to go for that one right there. It's calling my name. I'm going to take just a little bit of salsa too. Oh wow, these are so good. Nice and potatoey, not too thin, not too thick. Lots of bacon flavor, lots of cheese flavor, and I definitely like the sour cream and fresh onions on top. And that is going to be it for me for today, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this short little bar snack video. If you did, leave me a comment down below. As always, remember to check out the Gamers and Geeks playlist. I will leave a link down in the description to it. But for now, thank you all so very much for joining me today. I've been Vault Girl. I hope you guys have enjoyed, and I hope I see you in the next one.